Hello, it's Tiffany with Rattle the Stars Studios, and today we're going to make a hat, specifically a beret, extra specifically a mushroom cap beret. So I have been very inspired by Cottagecore, as I'm sure lots of people have over the past few months, and my desire to just become a mushroom has gotten intense. So since I can't turn myself actually into a mushroom yet, I figured the next best thing was I could make a little mushroom cap for myself. So we are going to dive right into a super simple project where you too can make yourself a fleece, felt, wool, whatever fabric really, mushroom cap beret as well. So let's hop on into it. The pattern for this beret consists of 3 pieces: a large circle 12 inches in diameter, a second circle that is 12 inches in diameter with a circle removed from the center that is 6 inches in diameter, and a rectangle for the band that is your head circumference long plus 1 inch. For me, that made it 22 inches long. I drew my pattern out of old packaging paper. It's a great way to reuse paper that would otherwise be thrown out. After the pattern pieces are cut out, we can cut out the circles for the mushroom cap. I didn't use a pattern or draw out the circles because I wanted them to be more organic in shape, but you are welcome to create a pattern if you want. Once you have all the circles you want, you can play around with their placement on the top. Make sure to pin them down once you have them where you want them. Now it's time to stitch all of those little circles down. I chose to do this by machine, and I wasn't particularly worried about getting perfect circles with my stitching. Again, I was going for an organic look. You can stitch this by hand if you want, and it could add some really fun texture to the hat. Next, we're going to pin the 2 circle pieces together. Make sure you have the right sides of the fabric facing each other. Then, sew the 2 pieces together. After that, you'll want to sew the edges of the rectangle piece together to form a circle. This will become the band for the hat. Pin the band inside the smaller circle so right sides of the fabric are facing each other. I found it easiest to first pin the 4 points of the band and then fill in the rest of it to keep it flush to the part of the hat I wanted it attached to. Then you're going to sew them together. Now fold the band over and pin the free edge down over the seam you just made. This you're going to sew down, and it's going to give you a really crisp, clean hat band. So no raw edges of the fabric will be seen when you are wearing the hat. And there you have it. You too now can become the top of a mushroom with your own mushroom cat beret. It is such an adorable little piece. I am so excited that my dream of becoming a living mushroom is one step closer to reality. Not really sure what that says about me, but you know, here we are. So I hope you enjoyed this really simple project. If you do it too, I would love to see photos of it. If you would like more fun sewing adventures, click that subscribe button down below and you will get notified every time I upload a video. So until next time, bye-bye.